We're recording.
Okay, on the amplifier section, they had 3 shorts touching the plate. One there, and one there. What happened is it shorted up the power supply. I had to change the chip and 2 transistors. Then after I did that, it still wouldn't play right, so I traced the wires out to the plugs. The plugs were all deoxidized or oxidized. Somebody sprayed deoxin all over the board. Everything was corroded. I had to take every solder point, you can see them, and touch them all by hand, all the way down the board. Every single one. Then I pulled out the tuner module. Well, push button module, I should say. There's only one screw in it now because I pulled it out. You can hear when I switch, no noise at all from shortwave to AM to long wave, a little bit FM. FM works perfect. Plus I can't find the station. Well, I don't have the antenna on it either. There's FM. I go right back to shortwave. No static when you push the buttons. I go back to AM. I change the output transistor.
How about the clock? Why don't you show us on the clock too?
The clock?
Yeah, the clock module.
Oh, the clock. Well, you get a crystal oscillator. And
Let me get the camera in there.
I think that's the driver transistor right there. And I got to change that. I didn't do that yet, but I think that's why they failed. Other than that, the clock looks good. The motor runs. I already tried the motor, but something in the circuit board, but that's next. It's aligned. I aligned the radio. If you look at the picture that's on the screen, somebody put a screwdriver in there and broke the slug. I had to physically take it all apart and replace
That's the new slug.
That's the new slug
that Chuck Waggle found. Yeah.
I will seal those after with paraffin.
Yeah.
There is no reason why you stick a screwdriver in.
Beeswax or paraffin, whatever.
Right.
Yeah.
If you look, I cleaned up the inside of the radio. I soldered all the circuit boards. Everything's been done now. The biggest problem is putting it back together. I checked the gears in the front. The gears are all perfect. So
yeah, I sold that other gear set, by the way.
Yeah, if you look, the gears are perfect. See the little double knob gear? That's the double knob gear is perfect. So I leave that alone.
By the way, guys, Rich is using my new Raptor RRT0 flashlight here.
But as you see, it plays perfect. That's AM. No. And go to different stations, obviously.
We're only using this wire here for an antenna.
A great case sandwich and drink today. Creative Impressions of Manville welcomes Amanda Goddard to their set. Amanda,
with folks like that, or some of the people who